Let's take a look at how we can create a basic classroom assignment for our students in our Google Classroom. So first you want to start in the Classwork tab, so you can click Classwork right here, and then you can click Create in the top left corner. So we're going to click Assignment from here because we're creating an assignment. One thing that's required is a title. So this assignment I'll be creating is a realistic short fiction assignment. You can add instructions if you'd like. I will be adding instructions here. Please write a 3-paragraph realist. So this will give my students more of an idea of what this assignment is all about and what I would like them to be doing. If you'd like, you can add different files. So you can add from your Google Drive, you can add a link, a file, or a YouTube video, or you can create different files as well. So you can create a Google Doc, a Google Slide, sheet, drawing, or a form if that best suits your assignment. And then from here you can select which class you would like this to be assigned to as well. It automatically selects the class you're in. You can select more than one class if you'd like. You can change whether you'd like all your students to be assigned this or you would just like a few, depending on what you would like. You can change the due date. So I would like this to be due, let's say Monday. And then if you'd like to change the time, you can. The default is 11:59 p.m., so at the end of the day. If, let's say, I want this to be by the time we get to language arts. So I can change this to be 1:00 p.m. And then you can also add it under a topic. So this is language arts, so I want it under the language arts section of my classwork folder. We also see some grading features and rubrics. We will be discussing these further in different videos. For now, we're just looking at creating a basic assignment. So now you can click Assign, and before we click that, I just want to note that you can see that it's saved. So you don't have to do any saving, it automatically saves it for you. So let's say I X'd out of this. You can see that it's a draft in my language arts. So you can click on it again and edit it and assign it. So it doesn't go away if you don't save it. So it's notifying me that it's not selected in an overall grade, but I would still like to continue. Yes. All right, and then there it is. It shows up here, and we can click and view it to see it further. So we can either see the instructions or the student work. One thing that I want to note is that once you create an assignment with a due date, that due date will appear on your Google Calendar. So if we click these 3 bars at the top left and click our calendar, so we assigned that to be due on Monday. So we can see Monday on our calendar that we can see the title of the assignment as well as the time that it is due. And we can click on it and it will bring us to this expanded screen showing us more about the assignment that we just created.